welcome back to my channel. I'm Kezia. What you'll need to make your fake Gucci t-shirt or your fake Balenciaga t-shirt are these things here, and I have it in black and also in white. That here has like glue, and you can actually iron on this side, but we'll use my phone to measure it. Okay, so that's at the end there. I think that's straight now. Okay, no going back now. Oh, how cute would this be? The LV on a pair of pants. Like some jeans. I might do that. I don't think we should have any lifting with this one. Okay, and for the reveal. Oh, it's still hot. There's some lifting right there. Right here. Be careful when you're touching it, because I've noticed it's still hot. There's a piece of glue. What the heck? So that's just a bit of glue from the letters that I think I can get out. Yeah. So I'm just feeling now, doing my little check to see. And yeah. Now we have a black and white t-shirt, Gucci t-shirt. I don't want this 2017, so I'm gonna take that off. So this is like designer clothes for the low. If you're a student, you're in college, and you can't afford to buy the real thing, this is the plug. I ordered some more. So if you guys like this video, definitely thumbs up and let me know if you want to see more. Okay guys, we're gonna peel it off now for the reveal. Look at that. And now you have a Balenciaga t-shirt. So this one I'm definitely doing it higher up. So I'm gonna... Of course I'm gonna have the link listed below for you guys if you guys want to find these. Here goes nothing. And I just have my iron on the hottest setting, if you guys were wondering. And I'm applying some pressure now to it. Just want to make sure that all those letters and the edges, the outer bits, are covered with heat. Okay guys, I think we're ready for the reveal, for the peel. Yeah, it looks good. Ready? Oh, I see the G lifting. So I'm gonna go over it one last time. Cute. So I'm noticing, like, when I'm peeling, I'm paying attention to the spots that look like they are going to peel or lift up. And I'm applying that plastic again.